Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Hope you had a great weekend and happy meteorological winter. For those of you wondering when actual winter starts, that would be December 21st, but it definitely feels like winter out there, especially into northeast Montana. Check that out. 14 below zero in Glasgow, 13 below in Plentywood. We're in the teens and 20s across north central Montana, single digits into the valleys of southwestern Montana. And you may see those temperatures and think it's cold, but it was way colder yesterday morning. We were 30 to 40 degrees colder in areas like Great Falls and Havre and Cut Bank, Kalispell as well. Helena, the temperature sensor was down at the airport yesterday, but we were around the same as today. Wind speed is picking up into Great Falls and Cut Bank and even Havre now, 17 miles an hour out of the southwest. That will allow us to warm slightly above the freezing point today, but the wind will be gusty, and with that melting snow, we could have a little bit of blowing snow isolated, especially along the Rocky Mountain front today, so be careful traveling on those roadways. And we will have a switching wind direction by tomorrow afternoon out of the north, and this is when we will see some snow falling in this area, at least more widespread into north central Montana. We do have winter weather advisories in place for Great Falls, Helena, Lewistown. The wind does stay generally on the lighter side through Tuesday, but still some isolated areas of blowing snow possible. We don't have anything on the radar right now, just some snow falling into the Canadian Rockies to our northwest. Fog is an issue in Helena, but not anywhere else. We do have an isolated patch of fog here in the state, and it's impacting the capital city. So that will be freezing fog, could create some slick surfaces, be careful. So later this afternoon and into this evening, we will have some snow moving into western Montana, mainly into the mountains at first, because we will have that downsloping wind warming us up and drying us out into the lower elevations. But by tonight and into tomorrow, when we will have that switching wind direction out of the north this time, that's when we could see a heavy band of snow coming through Great Falls and Lewistown by about noontime tomorrow. Helena will have isolated on and off snow showers through the morning, and then some heavier snow moving in by the afternoon. We'll have some snow showers lasting throughout the night on Tuesday and into Wednesday morning, but by the time you wake up on Wednesday, we should be in the clear from any snow. So here's my snow forecast. This is what I'm thinking. 1 to 3 inches around the Helena area, 2 to 4 in Great Falls, just considering that upslope potential. Same with Lewistown. We will see generally less snow in areas like Cut Bank, Havre, and Glasgow than compared to what we did on Friday with Friday's snowstorm. So highs today will be in the 30s for most areas, just slightly above the freezing point. We may see a little bit of melting out there in Helena and Great Falls with snow that's already on the ground, but we will be getting more by tomorrow. So temperatures this week will be in the upper 20s by Wednesday in Helena, but we're warming back up to near 40 degrees by Friday with another potential storm coming through to drop some more snow by Saturday.